Welcome to Turkey. In this comprehensive guide, we'll provide you with essential information to help you navigate your first trip to Turkey, starting from the moment you step off the plane. Arrival at the airport. When you arrive at one of Turkey's major airports, such as Istanbul Airport or Sabiha Gökçen Airport, you'll find various services to make your journey easier. Mobile operators. You can purchase a SIM card from the following major mobile operators: Turkcell, Vodafone, Turk Telecom. These operators have booths in the airport where you can buy SIM cards and data packages. Transportation from the airport to the city center. Taxis. Taxis in Turkey might not always be the safest option for foreigners. Instead, it is highly recommended to use taxi-hailing apps like Marti Tag, Bytaxi, and iTaxi. Avoid hailing taxis from the street. If possible, prefer public transport or walking for a safer and more reliable journey. Shuttle services. Havist and Havabis are airport shuttle services that connect Istanbul Airport and Sabiha Gökçen Airport to various locations in the city. They offer a convenient and cost-effective way to reach your destination. Public transport. Istanbul Airport is connected to the city center via metro, M11 line. You can use an Istanbul cart to pay for metro, tram, bus, and ferry services. Car rentals and getir araç. Renting a car from the airport can be a more practical option than dealing with taxis. Major car rental companies operate at both Istanbul Airport and Sabiha Gökçen Airport. Additionally, the getir araç app allows you to rent a car by the hour, providing flexibility for short trips around the city. The currency in Turkey is the Turkish lira. ATMs and exchange offices are widely available in the airport and throughout the city. It's advisable to carry some cash, especially for smaller purchases. The current banknotes in circulation are 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200 Turkish lira. Although you can use your credit card almost everywhere, it's a good idea to ask in advance if the store accepts credit card payments, as some smaller shops might not. While Visa and MasterCard are widely accepted, please note that American Express cards are typically only accepted in larger stores, but not all. Therefore, it's best not to rely solely on American Express cards. Must-visit places in Istanbul. Istanbul, a city that straddles two continents, is rich in history, culture, and breathtaking landmarks. Here are some must-visit places in Istanbul, along with more detailed descriptions. Hagia Sophia. Originally built as a cathedral in 537 AD, Hagia Sophia is an architectural marvel that has served as a Byzantine church, an Ottoman mosque, a museum, and currently functions as a mosque again. Its massive dome, stunning mosaics, and rich history make it one of Istanbul's most iconic landmarks. Inside, you can see beautiful Christian and Islamic art, reflecting the city's diverse cultural heritage. Blue Mosque. Located opposite Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque is renowned for its 6 minarets and stunning blue Iznik tiles that adorn its interior. Completed in 1616, this mosque is an active place of worship, but it is also open to visitors outside prayer times. The courtyard and the Grand Prayer Hall are particularly impressive, offering a serene atmosphere in the heart of the city. Topkapi Palace. Once the primary residence of Ottoman sultans for nearly 400 years, Topkapi Palace is now a museum showcasing the opulence and grandeur of the Ottoman Empire. Visitors can explore the harem, the imperial treasury, and various courtyards and pavilions. The palace also offers panoramic views of the Bosphorus and the Golden Horn. Grand Bazaar. One of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, the Grand Bazaar is a labyrinth of over 4,000 shops selling everything from spices, jewelry, carpets, and ceramics to textiles and souvenirs. Founded in the 15th century, it's a bustling hub where you can experience the vibrant atmosphere of Turkish commerce and culture. Basilica Cistern. An ancient underground water storage system built in the 6th century, the Basilica Cistern is a mysterious and atmospheric site with hundreds of marble columns rising from the water. The dim lighting and the sound of dripping water create an eerie yet fascinating ambience. Don't miss the Medusa head columns, which add to the cistern's mystical allure. Galata Tower. One of the most recognizable landmarks in Istanbul, Galata Tower offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city from its observation deck. Originally built as a watchtower in the 14th century, it now provides visitors with a stunning 360-degree view of Istanbul's skyline, the Bosphorus, and the Golden Horn. The tower is particularly enchanting at sunset. Bosphorus Cruise. A Bosphorus cruise is an essential experience in Istanbul, allowing you to see the city from a unique perspective. The Bosphorus Strait separates Europe and Asia, and a cruise along its waters offers views of palaces, historic waterfront mansions, fortresses, and the iconic Bosphorus Bridge. Cruises are available in various durations and styles, from short ferry rides to longer, more luxurious tours. These landmarks provide a glimpse into Istanbul's rich historical tapestry and vibrant present. Exploring these sites will give you a deeper appreciation of the city's unique position as a bridge between East and West. Shopping malls. Istenia Park, located in Sarıyer, it offers a mix of luxury and mainstream brands. Zorlu Center, known for its upscale stores and restaurants, as well as a performing arts center. Şehir Mall, one of the largest shopping malls in Europe, located in Sicily. Canyon, located in Levant, it has a unique architectural design and a variety of shops and eateries. Mall of Istanbul, a large shopping and entertainment complex located in Başakşehir. Forum Istanbul, located in Bayrampaşa, it features a wide range of stores and an aquarium. Delightful Turkish cuisine must-tries. Doner, slow-cooked meat served in a wrap or with rice. Kebab, grilled meat skewers, including Adana kebab, sis kebab, and Iskender kebab. Baklava, sweet pastry made of layers of phyllo, filled with nuts and honey. Pita, Turkish-style pizza with various toppings. Meze, small appetizer dishes served with drinks. Manthi, Turkish dumplings filled with meat and served with yogurt and garlic sauce. Lahmacun, thin crispy dough topped with minced meat, vegetables, and herbs. Börek, pastry filled with cheese, meat, or vegetables. Kumpir, baked potato with a variety of toppings. Simit, a sesame-covered bread ring, often enjoyed with tea. Turkish tea, a staple of Turkish hospitality, often served in small tulip-shaped glasses. Turkish coffee, strong coffee served in small cups with grounds settling at the bottom. Ayran, a refreshing yogurt-based drink. Public transportation. Metro and Marmara. Istanbul has an extensive metro system connecting different parts of the city. Marmara is a rail service that runs under the Bosphorus, linking the European and Asian sides of the city. City ferries. Ferries are a scenic and enjoyable way to travel between the European and Asian sides of Istanbul. You definitely must try. Dolmuş, shared minibuses that offer a cost-effective way to travel along specific routes. Don't expect a comfortable travel experience, but if you have to choose between a taxi or a dolmuş, you should prefer the dolmuş. Must-know Turkish words. While Turkish is the official language, English is only commonly spoken in major tourist areas. Generally, the local population primarily speaks Turkish. Therefore, it is advisable to learn some basic Turkish phrases to help you navigate and communicate more effectively. Please check our channel to find these essential words and phrases. Additional tips. Weather. Check the weather forecast before your trip to pack appropriately. Istanbul can have varied weather, from hot summers to cold winters. Safety. Istanbul is generally safe, but like any major city, be aware of your surroundings and take standard precautions to protect your belongings. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and we will do our best to assist you. This guide aims to provide you with a smooth and enjoyable experience during your first trip to Turkey. Enjoy your visit!